Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Minister, you've been an amazing leader for us and we are solidly behind you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do we have any of the other cabinet head of go ahead, Ben Chooks, please. Let's make it one minute. Go ahead and Ben Chooks, go ahead, please.
Good evening, DPM. Good evening, Honorable Secretary. My name is Ben Chooks Agubotim. I'm from Olu State. I'm the youth admin representative. Yeah, like everyone knows that the United Kingdom is a difficult and stubborn place. We are calling everybody at this very moment to come together. It's not time to stand on a double face. This is time to make things happen, and we must make it happen. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. That was good to the media. Mark, please go ahead. Unmute yourself, please.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Can I open my camera?
Yes. Go ahead and start your video, please.
Good evening, Deputy Prime Minister and all cabinet members. My name is Adeze. I represent the Deputy Continental Rep of South and North America. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do we have other? Go ahead. We Canada Rep, go ahead, please.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my able DPM. Good evening, all Biafrans all over the world. My name is Ugochukwu Okoro. I'm the ambassador of USB here in Canada. I want to use this opportunity to call on every Biafran living in Canada. There is a meeting. We have the flyer on circulation right now. We're having the first meeting under the USB government on Sunday, the 22nd of February. If you're in Canada, please identify yourself with us. Thank you very much, everyone.
All right, thank you so much. I see some hands up. You're part of the cabinet. Go ahead and introduce yourself. I see Sylvanus O'Hare. Go ahead, please. One minute, please, so we can go into real reason why we're here today. Okay.
Okay, good evening, everybody. My name is Sylvanus O'Hare. I greet our DPM, all the cabinet members, all protocol observed. My name is Maazị Sylvanus from Owol. I live in Germany. I thank everybody for the work that they Chukwu to everybody. Take your heart and do it for Biafra. You will get the reward from Biafra. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Master Chibueze, can you go ahead? I just want to make sure that it's only all the hands of the reps that are up and the deputy secretaries, please. Those are the introductions we need at this time. Before, if you're not a rep or deputy secretary or a cabinet member, please put down your hand. And when we get to the question and answer session, you can raise your hand, please. Go ahead, Freeman, and your position, please.
No, let me put down my hand. It's just for question and answer.
Okay, just for question and answer. Just put down your hand, please, for question and answer. If you're a cabinet person, your hand can be up. For question and answer, put down your hand, please. We are going to come there in the next few minutes. I think we already got all hands that are for cabinet members covered. Paul, are you a rep? Please go ahead. 1 minute.
Yeah. I think I'm being heard.
Yes.
Good evening, my Deputy Prime Minister, all the ministers present here. I greet all of you. My name is Paul Ugu. I am the admin of Greek family here in Europe. My fellow Biafrans in Greece, I enjoy all of you to come and represent your new nation, because when we leave it for our Deputy Prime Minister, only her cannot do the job. So I enjoy all of you to come, more especially on the 2nd of March, we are having our general meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. The Malta admin, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, my DPN. Good evening to all my honorable protocol observed. My name is Uchenna Obi, and I am the Malta admin. And I want to use this opportunity to call upon the Malta Biafran in Malta to wake up. This is the time to support our DPM and to support to make sure that the freedom of Biafra comes true, because it is in our hands to do it. Nobody can do it for us. So this time is not the time of ignorance or a time of doubting. If we put hands together, we can do it. And I encourage everyone to be strong and believe in what we are doing and believe in our DPS. And we shall surely win the battle. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Faith, go ahead, please.
Thank you, my DPM.
Thank you.
Thank you, all the admins, the rep, everybody. Everyone in the house, I greet you. My name is Faith NK. I am the admin in North Carolina, and I also use this opportunity to call my North Carolinians, Biafrans, to come out. We are here and alive and well. Come on out. We're gonna have our meeting this Thursday, 8 p.m. Reach out to me, 678-200-0217. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Miss Mercy, go ahead. Unmute yourself, please. Mercy. Go ahead, Mercy. We cannot hear you.
Being my Deputy Prime Minister, as of protocol observed, my name is Mercy Owadua. I'm the Deputy EU Rep, and I also serve the government as the Secretary Foreign Affairs Unit.
Thank you so much, Mercy, for what you do. Good job. Thank you so much. Go ahead, Honorable Shade, please. Unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, my dear my lady. Good afternoon, everyone in the cabinet. Thank you, my queen, and I appreciate you. My name is Shadi Bay Myers, rep from New York. I am so appreciative. I thank everybody for the good work that you're doing. Really, thank you. Thank you, my queen.
Thank you so much. Reverend Chuku, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my DPM. Good evening to all members in the House. My name is Mazio Juku, Deputy Rep in Austria. I want to use this opportunity to invite all old and new members in Austria to please come up and support this government. We just had one government and we have to make things happen. Those who are lagging behind, please come up. And we are going to have also a European representative to come and represent us here. So if you have any question that bothering you, please come up and ask that question. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Galaxy A70, go ahead, please. If you are a rep, unmute yourself. Galaxy A70. Welt, W-E-A-L-T, go ahead and unmute yourself, please.
The camera is not on, it won't let me.
Okay, go ahead and turn your video on, please.
Greetings, everyone. COS, honorable members. This is Victoria Frank in Texas. I work under UDUAC for Community and Social Services. At the moment, we are creating departments and seeking for those who are qualified for the job. We don't want to be Nigerians. We want qualified people who knows what is called social and psychological work. That's what we're doing right now. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Galaxy A70. Go ahead. Unmute yourself. Go ahead and unmute yourself, please. Start your video and unmute yourself. We cannot hear you. Unmute yourself, Galaxy.
Yes. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, my honorable DP and the whole House. I thank you for all your efforts in this very struggle. I am Honorable Obaru Laluki, Deputy Rep Belgium. Then I'm very happy seeing all of your boys' spirits in this very struggle. We have to stand in one. Unity is strength. So we have to be in unity and in love to make sure we get a goal. And I will not fail to inform you about the assignment that was given to me to see the head of human rights the whole Europe. Then I have seen him for the benefit of the struggle, and he accepted to support the struggle reach at the extreme level of the legal matters or any other side you people need. So I have to let the House know that I have done the best to make sure I bring him in. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, DPM. Thank you, my honorables.
Thank you so much, John PM. Go ahead, please, John. John PM, unmute yourself.
Good evening. Just to answer a question, I don't know, I'm not a cabinet member.
Okay, not yet. Yeah, not yet. Thank you so much. Put down your hand. And then, okay, thank you so much. We have Uso Machuku. Go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, good evening, everyone, cabinet members, the honorables.
our DPM, we appreciate you for all your work. Mazus Anwatuku, Republic of Ireland Rep, the message you sent to us have reached us, and we are all now being contacted. We are having calls every now and then, so we appreciate you for your work. We thank you for bringing us to the spotlight again. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ugochukwu, go ahead. Norway.
Greetings, great Biafrans, and a very good evening from Norway. Dr. Mojo Arabeze, Deputy Prime Minister, thank you for the job you do. And great Biafrans and our cabinet reps, members, thank you guys for the job you do. And using this opportunity to call our family here in Norway to come up. I mean, one way or another. Greetings.
Thank you so much, John PM. Unmute yourself. Okay. I think that is all. So hopefully, as we progress, we will be recognizing all the people that are doing the job behind the scene to ensure that we all go home as quickly as possible. On that note, again, welcome everyone to this let me see. So, again, today, I don't know, are we missing anyone on the media team? I know I called you, I didn't hear you. I know, can you go ahead 1 minute? Because I know I called you before. We'll go 247.
Yes, thank you, DPM. Your Excellency, greetings to every member of the cabinet, and my greetings go to every Biafran. I am Ugo 247. I don't know what to introduce about myself again. I'm in the media. Thank you, DPM.
All right, thank you so much. I know, let's go to Chick Survival, please. Go ahead. Unmute yourself.
Thank you, Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ngozi Arabweze. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the good work you are doing. I appreciate all the honorable members in the House. And I thank all Biafrans that are here with us. I am Chuk Survivor, serving in the media of the United States of Biafra. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So now let us go to the reason why we are here today. We are here to I don't know if there's any other. Yeah, we know we have just so much time for this event today. Again, welcome, Biafrans and friends of Biafrans. The reason why we're here today is to let the world, Biafrans, know what we are doing, where we are going, and some of the things that we do, both openly and privately. If you have any question, any worries, things you're not clear about, this is the time to ask those questions. The ones I can take, I'll take them. The ones I cannot take, I'll let you know that I'm going to come back with the answer. That is what this session is for. First, let me let you know, we declared the United States of Biafra in Finland, November the 29th, 2024. And it was an event that was the climax of the several things that Biafrans have done over the years to redeclare Biafra. As some of you are aware, Biafra was a nation between 1967 and 1970, during the period when we fought a brutal war with Nigeria. During that war, many Biafrans, innocent children, were killed, mostly by starvation by the Nigerian state. And the way they did that is to block the food entrance of foods and other things into the Biafran territory. A couple of countries at that time played a role to help Biafrans. And those countries at this point are still supporting the independence and the sovereignty of the United States of Biafra. Biafra conducted a self-referendum, both online and at home physically, to ensure that we go through the peaceful process to remove ourselves from Nigeria. During this period, over 50 million Biafrans voted at home and abroad using different formats. That was presented when we were in Finland. Biafra has met all the criteria to be a full-fledged independent nation. We have our sovereignty cut out. We have our people that have participated in the self-referendum to exit Nigeria. Over 98% of Biafrans that participated in this voting process, they all voted for Biafra to exit Nigeria. Biafra has explored different sources of peace negotiation with Nigeria over the years, and some of that included when our leader Nnamdi Kanu called for the regional distribution of Nigeria, trying to let Biafrans to be independent and rule themselves. Nigeria rejected that. We have reached out to Nigeria to be able to let them know we want to conduct self-referendum. For over the past 10 years, Nigeria refused to do that. We also have reached out to different offices to the Nigerian state of the need for Biafra to be free. Nigeria has rejected that. Nigeria maintains that Biafra and Nigeria must be in the same place, must be one Nigeria, must be one nation, because of mostly the rich mineral resources that come from the Biafra region, which Nigeria is using to service themselves and give it to European countries that support their globalist agenda. And while our people lavish in squalor and in poverty and not getting the basic education, the basic health care, just some of the basic things that people that produce minerals, such heavy amount of mineral resources that they're supposed to be enjoying. None of that is in Biafra land. We have no international airport in Biafra land, no seaport, no airport, no major railway line that has cut across to our region. Everything is being denied to Biafrans by the Nigeria state. Meanwhile, it is from this Biafra region that Nigeria gets most of the mineral reserves and resources they use to service European countries and some Western world. And Biafrans have come to say no more. We are not going to be the region that produces the rich oil reserves, while Nigeria state milk that and use that to siphon it to countries outside Biafra land and collect the money to continue to enhance terrorism in Nigeria. We all know the Nigerian state is one of the countries that rehabilitates and reintegrates non-terrorists into the military, police, and all their security services. Because most indigenous Nigerians have refused to join the Nigerian military and police because of the reintegration of non-terrorists into the Nigerian military. So what Nigerian state does is to reintegrate these terrorists, give them guns and ammunition, and ship them over to Biafra land to continue to kill innocent Biafrans who does not believe in one Nigeria. This killing has been going on for years, and now Biafrans have said no more of those killings. We cannot continue to stay in a country that reintegrates non-terrorists into its system, and you force us to live with terrorists. That is why Biafra declared their independence in Latin Finland on November the 29th, 2024. Nigeria state has also committed several atrocities, several criminal things against Biafra people. We have a lot of Biafran people in jails in different parts of Nigeria without no recourse to legal services, without no recourse to legal help. This is a country that arrests people, dump them in prisons without any remorse, without any opportunity for those individuals to bail themselves or even have their cases heard in court. So it's like we are still living in stone age in Nigeria. Nigeria is a failed state, and that has been documented in several areas. The worst part of this is the collusion of the Nigerian government with some European countries like Finland, like Britain, like the United Kingdom to suppress and destroy psychologically, emotionally, Biafrans all over the world, tagging us terrorists just for fighting for our freedom, just for our self-determination, just for trying to express ourselves. This is what Nigerian state has continued to do, colluding with European countries to continue to destroy our people. And we say no more of that. There are several instances. Our leader Nnamdi Kanu is still held today by the Nigeria state, going to almost 5 years for nothing, except the independence of Biafra. The United Nations Committee on Extraordinary Rendition has told Nigeria to leave Nnamdi Kanu and compensate him. Nigeria has refused to do that till date. About 2-3 competent courts inside Nigeria has gone through the case of our leader Nnamdi Kanu and acquitted and discharged him. Nigeria state continue.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media boy by siwene wetanu nyabozi joke mkpa gbasata maka ihe na Nigeria and ihe na-emenebe dị iche iche na Eastern region and unu na okosi ada na Finland and Biafran Prime Minister ka esi jide ya the update and ya bụ Biafran declaration nke eme na Finland so ihe niile aka ya anyị na-ewetara n'iru akwụkwọ ka ife were ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ihe Chief of Staff kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ya na ebe ọtọgasị aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bụ ife ka isi ka tinyere unu kono gwa ifu nche n'ụdị nkunu gbasata maka ya bụ ife ngwa daro dị nke